Hi, my name is Kaylee, and today I will be teaching order of operations to fifth and sixth graders. Well, good morning today, class. So today we're going to be learning the order of operations. The reason why this is so important is because it gives you a way to do the problems correctly in a specific right order that's supposed to go. So what PEMDAS stands for: parentheses, exponents, multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting. And you can say, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. You can write that on your papers. So the way this is supposed to go is you look at the problem and see, is there any parentheses on the board?
No.
Are there any exponents?
No.
What about multiplication?
Yes.
So you would do the multiplication first. So what's 2 times 10? 2 times 5.
10.
All right, is there any division?
No, Miss Murphy.
All right, so adding or subtracting?
We should subtract first.
Yeah, so 12 minus 10
2,
plus 1.
3.
All right, and so that's how you do the order of operations. So you go down the line. We'll do one more.
Okay.
All right, so do we see any parentheses?
Doesn't know.
No.
What about exponents?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so how you do exponents is, so you would times 3 times another 3, and what would you get?
9.
All right, so do we see any multiplying or dividing?
Yes.
So what's 18 divided by 2?
9.
So do you see any adding or subtracting? Okay, so what's 9 plus 6?
15.
Minus 9?
I don't know.
6.
So your answer is 6.
Sweet.
So I'll give you these. They're
Sorry,
not.
that was my mistake on the 14.
It's fine. It's whatever. Alright. So I have these little practice quizzes. They're just practice. They're not gonna be graded.
Are you sure?
Positive. Alright. You have about 10 minutes to complete these. Alright, so we're gonna go over the answers. So a short summary of what I did today. So I used mnemonics to teach the order of operations to the kids. So I used what was important and why we use the order of operations, and then I did a small practice quiz to make them understand it more and make them. It was a practice one, so they just could do their best on it. And then I think I used them just because when I was in grade school, I always knew, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally's to do order of operations until I got in high school, and then we were allowed to use calculators. But I feel like it's an easy way for kids to understand how to use them. And I think it's important to show what's important in the beginning of a lecture instead of at the end or in the middle, just because then they understand more because their attention spans are so small. Um, I also think practice quizzes are an easy way to help kids understand and even just homework and stuff on it. So that's what I did today.